Rob Donahue with Sure Thing Home Inspection, Code Certified Home Inspection. And we're going to here show you some photos that were found in a recent warranty inspection. And the homeowners had us coming out wanting to know if there were any issues with the home. As we went into the basement, as you can see, this is a floor system. And this is truss wood engineered. And the square openings were cuts that were made by a contractor that was oversized and is now affected the structural integrity of the floor system. Now this cut was not made just in one, it was made in every single floor joist in the basement. So now we have to have the builder bring the wood manufacturer out and figure out how to get this corrected to prevent any structural sagging and squeaking of the floor. So even though this looks like a normal opening to the average person, these are some of the things as a certified home inspector we would look at and report on a warranty inspection and also in new construction. So if you think you may have some issues and you're not sure, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to come out, educate you, walk through the home, and give you a full detailed report that you can use for your warranty walkthrough or for new construction. Again, my name is Rob Donahue with Sure Thing Home Inspection. If you have any questions, give us a call at 770-995-6305. Thanks for watching.